Hello students, today we will discuss the general method of preparation of alcohol. Yesterday I had explained the classification of alcohol. Classification of alcohol: monohydric alcohol, dihydric alcohol, trihydric alcohol and polyhydric alcohol. In the case of monohydric alcohol, they are of the three categories. They can be classified to three categories: primary alcohol, secondary alcohol and tertiary alcohol. And especially you have to study detail regarding the primary alcohol. And in the primary alcohol, we are discussing the general method of preparation of the alcohol. Today's topic is general methods of preparation of alcohol. Methods of preparation of alcohol. Alcohol can be prepared by many ways, but some important was first one is by the hydrolysis of haloalkane. By the hydrolysis of haloalkane. When haloalkane, or you can say alkyl halides, are treated with the aqueous potassium hydroxide or aqueous sodium hydroxide, they give alcohol. When haloalkanes are treated with the potassium hydroxide or sodium hydroxide, it should be aqueous, they give alcohol. You can take any alkyl halide, for example CH3Br plus KOH, potassium hydroxide, it should be aqueous state. It gives CH3OH plus KBr. This is methanol. This is methanol. This is bromomethane. Bromomethane. Next one is C2H5Br. This is bromoethane. Is treated with aqueous KOH. This is aqueous KOH. Then it gives, this one is KBr, and you will get C2H5OH plus KBr. This one is ethyl alcohol. Common name of the students, common name of this one is very common, ethanol, present in the vinegar. This is the first method of preparation of the alcohol. You can prepare the alcohol by the hydration of alkene also. By the hydration of alkene. But the hydration takes place in the presence of dilute mineral acid. Most probably we take sulfuric acid. For example, CH2CH2, this is ethylene, or you can say ethylene, or you can say ethene. Is when treated with dilute sulfuric acid, consists of so much water, it gives C2H5HSO4. This is known as ethyl hydrogen sulfate. Then again is treated with the water. Water, you can write in this way HOH. It gives C2H5OH plus H2SO4. This is ethanol. We can get the ethanol by the hydration of ethylene, or you can say its IUPAC name is ethene. And it can, and apart from that one, some other methods are. Next method is by the hydroboration. Hydroboration. You can write it by the hydroboration of alkene. By the hydroboration of alkene, terminal alkenes can be converted into alcohols. by the hydroboration of alkene, all the terminal alkenes can be converted into alcohol. For example, when propene is treated with diborane, this is borane, we get tripropyl borane. After then oxidation takes place by the hydrogen peroxide, then we get propanol, and side product is H3BO3. This is boric acid. When propene reacts with the borane, we get tripropyl borane. With oxidation of tripropyl borane by the hydrogen peroxide, we get the propanol 1, and side product is boric acid. Reaction of this chemical reaction you can write, this is CH3CH double bond CH2. This is propene. There is a BH3. This is a borane. Now what will happen? One hydrogen atom of this borane is bonded with this here. We get CH3CH2CH2BH2. Hydrogen atom this is bonded here. Then again it reacts with the next molecule of propene, CH3CH2. For example, either 3 molecules of the propenes are used. This is the first molecule. Now this is the second molecule of propene. It again reacts with this one, CH3CH2CH2BH. This one. Now it again reacts with the propene, CH3CH double bond CH2. Hydrogen is bonded to this atom, this carbon, and we get CH3CH2CH2 thrice borane. In this borane, boron is bonded to 3 hydrogen atoms, but here boron is bonded to 3 propyl group. It is a tripropyl borane. This is a tripropyl borane. Now oxidation is carried out. Oxidation by the hydrogen peroxide. Then we get CH3CH2CH2OH, 3 molecules. This is we get 3 molecules of the propanol 1, and side product is H3BO3. You can say this is boric acid. In this way, when propene is treated with the borane, we get final product, that is a tripropyl borane, and after the oxidation of tripropyl borane, we get 3 molecules of the propanol. In today's video, I will explain the 3 methods of preparation of alcohol. First one is preparation of alcohol from the hydrolysis of the haloalkane. Second one was the hydration of alkene, and third one was the hydroboration of alkene. These are some methods, and next time I will give more method of preparation of alcohol. Goodbye.